Hello everyone. Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the Milwaukee M18 Random Orbit Sander. We just got it and opened it up. It came in this box. So it came with just the tool, a dust collector, and it also came with a vacuum attachment, which is still in the box. It came with two of the sanding pads that we're going to be trying out today. So this is one of my workbenches. It's time to sand it and paint it. Obviously it looks like there's a bunch of cuts, paint, scrapes on it. So we're gonna use the new sander, the Random Orbit Sander, on this corner and see how it works. It's pretty nice. The ergonomics is great. It's good for one-handed use. It has 6 different speeds, so you can adjust the speed here. 6 different options. Good with M18 battery of any size. I like the bigger battery, lasts longer. So we're gonna give it a shot. So as you can see, guys, that was done fairly quickly. In the end, it's a good tool, great for sanding. I'm gonna end up finishing this whole workbench and I'm gonna repaint it, but it's highly recommended.